This is a vision among many uNkulunkulu angipha wona angifundisako. Lokhu kukwenza bese uyaconda naloko kubhalwa la eBhayibhelini, because for you to understand lamagama, khumbula uNkulunkulu eBhayibhelini kuJohn 6:63 uthi, these words that I speak, they are life and spirit. Uthi the flesh profit nothing. Uthi lamazwi engikhulumayo awumoya nokuphila. So makathi these words, they are life and spirit, khuluma something profound uNkulunkulu. Kusho ukuthi for you to access what God is saying in the Bible, we need to have access to the supernatural, to the spiritual. That's why iBhayibheli bathi mawulifunda udinga umoya ingcwele to interpret this scripture, because lamagama spiritual, the spirit of God is the only spirit that can interpret this for you. So loku uthola such vision, ungene to other dimensions to see imfihlo, it makes the word of God to speak to us, for us to understand. Lithi iBhayibheli uJesu masazohlukana nabafundi bakhe sekavukile kuLuke chapter 24, sekavukile uJesu Kristu ngosuku lwesithathu wabonakala kubafundi bakhe. Lithi iBhayibheli wabavula ingcondo ukuthi ba-understand imibhalo, ngoba imibhalo yaphefumulelwa. Khumbula ukuphefumulela is the breath of God. No Adam ensimini yaseYedeni waphefumulela by God, waba a living soul. The breath of God was the spirit of God. So no Christ wabavula amehlo then, so that they can understand imbhalo, because imbhalo is the spirit of God talking. It is God, it is the mind of God, and God is spirit. So imfihlo lezi uma uthandaza uNkulunkulu uza kubonisa some of the things, then they relate la eBhayibhelini. Izinto eziningi ezila eBhayibhelini zonke, ngisho ukuthi konke nje ufuna uku-understand from a spiritual level, not a physical level. Once wakhona uku-understand from that spiritual level, you are able to understand the physical, because the natural world esiphila kiyo i-product of the spiritual. Ukuze siphile la ku-planet Earth, la ku-material body, nathi si-physical, sikhona uku-interact nezinto ezi-physical. Konke lokhu is a product of the spiritual world. Uyabona? So kukhona lencwadi kaJona, John 3:31, lapho uJesu akhuluma mystery ngisho ukuthi something that is hidden from an ordinary eye, noma from someone with an ordinary understanding. Kufuna the Spirit of God to open our mind, our heart, our spirit, our soul to these things of heaven. uJesu wayekhuluma nabantu in parables, azama ukuthi ba-understand esikhathini esiningi, uyabona, enza umzekelo, because these things are deeper, uyabona. Kulula ukuyidismissa lento lena, but at the same time ungayibona imphumela yakhona, but kulula ukuyidismissa, but ububona ukuthi hayi man, something is not normal. So the spiritual world controls the natural world lesiphila kiyo. Every sin nalobubi esibenza lamhlabeni, the way we live is a representation of a world somewhere hidden. Semaningi lama mystery. John 3:31 uthi ovela phezulu uphezi kwako konke, ovela emhlabeni ungowomhlaba, ukhuluma komhlaba, ovela ezulwini uphezi kwako konke. uJesu uthi, uyabona, where you stand in the spiritual is where you'll speak from, uyabona. So ngokwama-dimension, nangokukhula, nangokweyigaba, where you stand in the spiritual is where you'll speak from, uyabona. Uthi ovela ezulwini, kukhona izulu is something supernatural, something spiritual. So uzama ukusibekisela ukuthi umuntu on interaction with what is deeper in the spiritual uzokhuluma izinto that are mystery to people abasemhlabeni who are of the earth, because abasemhlabeni bakhuluma kwasemhlabeni. Just like ikhona i-understanding ne-wisdom and knowledge yasemhlabeni, kube khona i-understanding and knowledge and wisdom yasezulwini espiritually. So izinto ebusuku uNkulunkulu sekangivulele ukuthi okay, la umnyango yonke indawo, noma kuthiwa kuseJozi noma kuthiwa yikuphi, yonke indawo la kuphithizela khona abantu, la thothi abantu benza isono. Thithi ngiyabekisa uya eGP Street, eGP, ngase-GP kunendawo ethile whereby people are, kunama-prostitute, abantu abadayisa ama-drugs, people are drinking, people are smoking, kwenzeka all sort of abomination. That area, ngalokuthi there is a high volume of concentrated sin, iba umnyango to a supernatural world, lobumnyama. Ingaba umnyango to emesihogweni, ingaba umnyango to kuphi, noma ungaya kuphi ko-small street, that area la kuphithiza khona abantu kakhulu nje abaphila impilo yobumnyama, benze nje isono, baphile the way nje bafuna ukuphila ngakhona, uyabona, kuba neportal. So na ukhanda even abantu ekuseni ngabo 5, 6, 7 bavukile, yabo, they are smoking, drinking, kushona ilanga, abantwana kuyaphithizela nanani. So lamadimoni enza njani? Athebula labantu, everyone ofika lapha. Some of these people abazi, some they will never know. Afike lamadimoni athebule their souls, their spirit, uyabona, because kunemnyango lapha. Afika bathebule their spirit, abathatha abamixe ku-imprisonment, abaphila lo muntu lamhlabeni. Some of them uthothi bantu abathanda ukuhlala lapha isikhathi eside, bantu abaya lapha bona benza le ma-groovies nani nani, kanti kune-door to another dimension. Anyway, ungakufunde nawe kumahubo 24 lathi uJesu khona vulekani masango semandulo, inkosi inkazimulo ingene, vulekani nina, open up you ancient gate. Ama-gate ama-spiritual forces, yabona, represent ama-authorities and spiritual forces, ama-gate a-spiritual, izinto ezingabona. Anyway, uJesu usifundisa kakhulu la ukuthi kunama-gate kamoya, uyabona. I-gate symbolize a certain place ufuna ungene kile, a certain location, dwelling place. Ezulwini there are gates, in heaven there are gates. Ingako uJesu Kristu wathi Peter, phezu kwaleli dwala ngiyawulakha ibandla lami, lapho khona amasango, gate of Hades will not prevail. Amasango asesihogweni, kune-gate even ezulwini whereby you will be rejected uma ungenzi kahle emhlabeni, uma unesono, unama-properties kasathane nobumnyama, you'll be rejected ezulwini. That gate will not open. Akekho umuntu ongalivula, akekho umuntu one-authority. Only those abane-spiritual garment, abahlanzwe igazi likaJesu, abahambe nge-holiness emhlabeni, ne-purity ne-sanctification, bazongena lapha. Nasesihogweni kune-gate lakhona elikhulu elivulwa amadimoni amukela abantu. Manje wena sesiwami, ngibone nabantu abaningi abaphila lamhlabeni, different girls, nabantu, some of them they are family members, abanye ngibazi, abanye ngiyabazi. I seen them there. And uma ngibabuka lamhlabeni, lezono ezenziwa lapha is some of the things they are doing. Nabantu abane-anger, like to argue with people. I saw them doing that there, and they were beaten. Very strange. Bashaywa buhlungu ngamadimoni, bashaya buhlungu. Uwabona i-residential evil noma the walking dead, banjalo labantu balapha, but they are more human, but you can see ukuthi abekho normal. But yabona abantu baphila lamhlabeni, some of them bayaphila, but they behave abnormal. So I saw some of the girls were wearing wigs, bafaka ama-nails, basendaweni yotshwala yokuphuza, and what they were drinking is poison. Actually lo tshwala obuphuzwayo is a poison, is spiritual poison. People don't know some of it. Lo tshwala ngibuka lapha imichamo yamadimoni, and these people were drinking not knowing what they are drinking. I saw people eating ukudla okuhlukahlukene, human flesh. People were eating human flesh, and lamhlabeni we do eat human flesh without knowing, because siphandliwe, yabona. We cannot see from the spiritual, we cannot see from a heavenly perspective. So sibona nje kukudla oku-ordinary. Khumbula uthi uJohn wasemhlabeni ukhuluma wasemhlabeni, wasezulwini ukhuluma wasezulwini. Nokubona kunjalo uthi wathi uJehova uma ukhuluma izwayo, wathi izindlela zami akusizo zenu, indlela zami ziphakame, nemicabango yami akusiyo imicabango yabantu, yabona. Ahlukanisa what is of earth, uNkulunkulu and what is of heaven. Yabona, izulu kaNkulunkulu liphezulu kakhulu. So I've seen these people eating those things, drinking. Those ladies were there, and one thing engivukele mangilapha kuleyo ndawo, I had to act like those people, because if being actor normal, they could sense some even demon, they could smell when you are normal. They could smell even by your look, babuga, they could smell when you are a normal person. Awufane nathi, and they could kill you because abamfuni umuntu normal lapha. So angazi nami le inspired, but ngigcine ngibehavior njengalabo bantu, for me not to be killed by those spirits. Then I started behaving njengalabantu laba, so that I can observe. Ngahamba yonke le ndawo, ibolile le ndawo. Mawubuka nje mhlawumbe angazi ngale eJohannesburg noma some cities enwaziko that are abandoned, ama-cities mhlawumbe abola, old building structures, yabona nje kwangasahlali bantu, noma some of them were burned, ashiswa, uyabona nje indawo escattered, desolate, depilated, uyabona nje indawo engekho yinhle, uyabona kunjalo kuleya ndawo, kubi ngenye indlela, kuba ngathi le ndawo ike yasha noma kwaba ne-disaster ethile, but people are living there. Yabona, mawubuka nje ama-building asalahliwa nganamafastera anganamnyango, kodwa kukhanda abantu baphila lapha phakathi. Some of them, they are addicted to drugs, they are addicted to all these kinds of substances, alcohol, they are addicted to different substances angama-drugs aba-abusako. While they are being abused ngokwama-substance, they are also enjoying sin. Zonke lezi zinto ezenzeka la emhlabeni esibuye sithi shame, mahamba kwezinye indawo thola ukuthi zisivie ngenye indlela eyisimanga. It's what is happening in that world. The killing, bona abantu babulalana in a very cruel manner, and they were rejoicing makuphuma legazi. They were rejoicing, the demons were drinking the blood, what people bastebhana magwazana, they were laughing. Umuntu ama-parts bamdivide apart, nendawo umuntu bamthene apart. It was happening. I was seeing all that, but I had to behave njengabo labantu, so that bangeke babone ukuthi ngi-consciously kune light of God la kimi, angirulwa ilo moya oleya okuleya ndawo, because lapha kurula umoya obumnyama obubi. So once those people see ukuthi wena you are not submitted to that spirit noma that altar yobumnyama erwa le ndawo, they will kill you. So I had to behave like those people. And some of these people, I want to tell you, they are living here on earth, but their spirit is there. Kuyenzeka kakhulu ke lokhu ukuthi ilento ekhuluma uJesu, athi uJesu kuJohn 5:24, ngithanda kakhulu lelizwi, Nkosi busisi. John 5:24 lithi, ngicinisile ngithi kini, ozwa izwi lami nokholwa ongithumileyo unokuphila okuphakade. Khumbula ukuphila okuphakade, eternal life. Besathi akayi ekwahlulelweni, akayi, you are not going to judgment. So there is a place that you go to, and in that place there is already judgment of God. People are living under darkness, yabona. Uthi kepha sekaphumile ekufeni wangena kuphi? Ekuphileni. uJesu Kristu ubeka ukufa, ubeka impilo, bese ubeka ini? Everlasting life. Izinto ezintathu lezo. So uJesu ukhuluma with such mystery, uthi lolu zwako lelizwi nolamukelako nokholwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu umthumile ukuthi azosindisa abantu nangegazi lakhe, akayi ekwahlulelweni. Ufana nomuntu odlula kuphi? Ekufeni aye ekuphileni. So kukhona lokuphila emhlabeni, kodwa ngokwasezulwini nibantu abafile, because you are a walking dead. Your spirit, your soul is not with you. Niyaphila, niphila ngokweflesh kuphela, ngokwenyama, uyabona. So kubusa lo moya omubi, kubusa isono, and sonke isono emhlabeni is orchestrated by spirit. Asikho isono emhlabeni abantu abasenzayo that is not orchestrated by the spirit. And mangithi by the spirit, it is orchestrated from a spiritual realm. So uJesu ukhuluma such a mystery, uthi kodwa lo lamukela izwi lingene libe isitshalo bese lithela iy'thelo kuye, ubese uthola ukuphila. Kusho ukuthi lo muntu uba njani? Uba ne-life, uyabona. Akuphili nje lo mzimba kuphela, but also the spirit in him, also the soul in him, uba intact. because lo mzimba i-container of the spirit and the soul. Lo mzimba wethu uyi-container.